My name is Jan Makwela. I've been with Pothole Patrol for 5 years, and the position that I hold is a repairer. Normal day is like when you have a schedule that you know that you're gonna work on it. What it feels like to repair pothole, it's a good feeling, you see, because it brings joy to me because I'm saving lives for the motorists actually. This is important because our roads are bad and they need to be repaired, and so that motorists can drive on a smooth road and not having punctures and getting what the mags ruined and all those kind of things. So that's why this is important for us to do it. The best reaction that we get is the drivers, they become happy when they see us everywhere we fix the potholes. What makes me proud is, you see, I've learned a lot since I've been in this industry. Also helping others and like saving lives, and that makes me proud. Like, you're doing something in a community. The area that stands out the most is, I would say, Joburg. Before it was like a mess, but now it's a beautiful place to drive through. The change that it makes, like whenever you drive, you don't feel like as if like you're gonna drive into a pothole whereby anytime your tires can be smashed and paying excess for the insurance and all those kind of things. So at least like when you come to Ilovo, you just drive nicely because of it's been repaired and all those things. I make people's life easier when they're driving on the road. So I'm proud of being the solution. Fix one pothole at a time. That's how I describe Pothole Patrol. People should care because it's for the safety on the road.